And I'm sorry, but the boy in white need to get his ass on. I'm finna tell you why. How the fuck you gonna walk up on somebody talking about y'all figuring it out, but y'all running out of time? What the fuck we figured out? Can you please tell us how to get the fuck out of here since you already here? And this is what I mean by the boy in white just lead them into deeper layers of this fucked up place. He's there in front of the two most important people of this show, but yet not trying to help. My boy basically show up to not say shit.